Welcome back to Trend Secrets, your ultimate destination for all things interior design and home decor. Whether you're an experienced decorator or just dipping your toes into the world of design, you're at best place. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of interior design. We'll explore a wide range of topics to inspire and guide you in creating a space that truly reflects your personality and style. Modern interior design is all about creating a space that feels open, clean, and comfortable. It focuses on simplicity and avoids too many heavy details. The idea is to keep everything neat while still making the home feel warm and welcoming. One of the most important things in modern design is using natural light. Large windows, glass doors, or light curtains allow sunlight to fill the rooms. This not only makes the home look bigger, but also creates a calm and refreshing environment. Colors play a big role in modern home decor. Soft tones like white, beige, gray, and pastels are often used for walls and furniture. These colors make the space look clean and bright. To add some energy, you can include bold colors like black, navy, or green in smaller details such as cushions, rugs, or artwork. Furniture in modern design is usually simple, straight, and functional. Sofas, chairs, and tables often have clean lines without too much decoration. The focus is on comfort and practicality, so every piece of furniture should serve a purpose while still looking stylish. Open space is another key element. Rooms are designed to flow into each other without too many walls or partitions. For example, the living room, dining area, and kitchen may be connected to give the home a more open and airy feeling. Modern interiors also use a lot of natural materials. Wood, stone, and metal are very popular. A wooden floor, marble countertops, or metal light fixtures can make a home feel both modern and cozy. Mixing these materials gives balance and adds character to the space. Lighting is very important in home decor. Apart from natural light, modern design often includes stylish lamps and ceiling lights, pendant lights in the kitchen, floor lamps in the living room, or hidden LED lights can make the home look more elegant and modern. Decor in modern homes is usually minimal. Instead of filling every wall and shelf with items, a few carefully chosen pieces are displayed. A large painting, a simple vase, or a unique sculpture can stand out and give the room personality without making it feel crowded. Plants are also a big part of modern home decor. Indoor plants not only bring nature inside, but also add freshness and color to the space. Simple pots with green plants or even a small indoor garden can make the home feel alive. Technology has also become part of modern interior design. Smart lighting, automated curtains, and modern appliances make life easier while keeping the home stylish. The design often hides wires and devices so that everything looks clean and organized. Textures are used to make modern interiors more interesting. A soft rug, a velvet sofa, or a stone wall adds depth to the space. By mixing smooth and rough surfaces, the design avoids looking too plain or boring. In the end, modern interior design is about balance. It combines beauty with function, simplicity with comfort, and nature with technology. The goal is to create a home that feels peaceful, stylish, and easy to live. Selecting the right furniture is crucial in creating a functional and visually appealing interior design. each piece of furniture serves a purpose beyond its mere functionality. It contributes to the overall style of a room. Whether you opt for sleek and modern pieces to achieve a contemporary look or prefer vintage, inspired furniture, for every choice you make plays a part in shaping the personality of your space. From cozy living rooms to sleek kitchens, we'll discuss everything from how to arrange furniture and choose colors to selecting the perfect decor pieces to complete your look. We will also be exploring the latest trends in home decor, from classic to contemporary innovations, so you can infuse your space with fresh inspirations. Through my design ideas, I will ensure that you have all the knowledge and resources you need to tackle your next decorating project with confidence. Let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. That's right. Good interior design isn't about how much money you spend, but how creatively you use what you have. Even inexpensive or budget-friendly decor items can make a big impact when placed thoughtfully and styled with care. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Don't forget to subscribe to Trend Secrets and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.